Let me guess. You start strong. New workout plan, healthy meals prepped, water bottle filled, and full of motivation. For a week or two, it feels amazing. You feel in control, proud of yourself. But then life happens. A stressful week, a missed workout. Takeout one night turns into 3. Suddenly, you're off track. And it feels like you have to start all over again. Again. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just following a system that was never built to last. In this video, I'm breaking down why you keep falling off track and how to build a routine that actually sticks for good. Let's change the way you think about health once and for all. 1. Stop trying to be perfect. The number one reason people fail to maintain a health routine is because they aim for perfection, not progress. You decide you're going to work out 6 days a week, meal prep every Sunday, drink a gallon of water, sleep 8 hours, meditate, journal, all at once. That's not a routine, that's a pressure cooker. You can't build lifelong habits from burnout. You build them from consistency, even when it's small. Instead of asking, how much can I do? Ask, what's the minimum I can do daily, even on my worst day? That's where real routines begin. 2. Focus on identity, not just actions. If your goal is to lose 10 pounds, you'll give up the moment the scale doesn't move. But if your goal is to be someone who takes care of their body, you'll keep showing up, even when progress is slow. Attach your habits to your identity. Don't say I'm trying to eat healthy. Say I'm the kind of person who fuels my body with real food. Don't say I want to work out more. Say I'm someone who moves every day because it makes me stronger. Your habits follow your beliefs. Change what you believe about yourself, and the habits will stick. If this is hitting home, hit that subscribe button now. This channel is built around real, lasting change, not quick-fix gimmicks. 3. Stop the all-or-nothing thinking. You missed a workout? That doesn't mean you failed. You ate pizza for dinner? That doesn't mean the day's ruined. This mindset is the exact thing keeping you stuck. The truth? You'll have off days. You'll miss workouts. You'll eat junk food. The difference between people who succeed long-term and people who don't. The ones who succeed just get back on track quicker. One skipped habit doesn't matter. What matters is what you do next. 4. Design your environment for success. Your willpower is limited. Your environment? That's what shapes your behavior. If your fridge is full of junk, guess what you'll reach for when you're tired? If your workout clothes are buried in a drawer, you're less likely to put them on. Make the healthy choice the easy choice. Keep a filled water bottle on your desk. Set your workout clothes out the night before. Prep simple, go-to meals you actually like. Create a phone-free zone during meals. Success isn't about motivation. It's about removing friction. When it's easy to stay on track, you will. 5. Build routines around your current life, not your dream life. Don't build your routine around what you hope your schedule looks like. Build it around your real day. Got 3 kids and a full-time job? Then a 90-minute gym session probably isn't realistic. Start with 10 minutes of movement at home. Only have time for 2 home-cooked meals a day? Then make those 2 count. A health routine that only works when life is perfect isn't a routine. It's a temporary illusion. Start where you are, not where you wish you were. 6. Track success in ways that have nothing to do with weight. Look, tracking your weight is fine. But if that's the only metric you're using, you'll lose motivation quickly. Track your energy levels, your sleep quality, your mood, how your clothes fit, how strong or mobile you feel. Those things matter more than the number on the scale, and they'll keep you motivated on the days when progress feels invisible. 7. Create emotional accountability. Most people try to go at it alone. But change is hard, and it's even harder without support. Find someone who holds you to your vision. Join a community. Share your goals with a friend. Or leave a comment below with one small habit you're committing to today. Writing it down makes it real. And I'll be in the comments cheering you on. You keep falling off track not because you're weak, but because you've been told that health has to be extreme, restrictive, or perfect. It doesn't, it just has to be yours. So here's what I want you to remember. Progress over perfection. Identity over short-term goals. Simplicity over intensity. Consistency over motivation. Start with one small habit. Repeat it until it's automatic. Then add another. That's how you build a routine that lasts. Not for a week, not for a month, but for life. If this helped you, here's how you can help yourself next. Like this video to let me know it resonated. Comment below with your next health habit. Subscribe for more no-nonsense health content every single week. You don't need a reset, you just need a rhythm. And it starts right now. Let's do this together.